Back in action, we back in the action, boys. Let's get real for a second. We got another stupid video today. What else is new? We got another dumb idea. However, don't get me wrong, man. I'm all for dumb ideas. I myself was a dumb idea on my mom's behalf. Ma, I'm not really sure why you had me. You know, out of all the sperms that could have been swimming in your vagina, the one that had to stick had to be the fucking weird one. I don't get it. However, it's not a bad thing, man. I consider myself somewhat of a genius. Somewhat of a 6'9" before he was famous.
That's the new peak?
Exactly, we're both fucking brain dead. I'm like Trump's daughter. Super sexy, but we got the brain the size of a chode. I'm like Mike Tyson's lisp. Super fucking awkward.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight.
But also a fucking stand-up singer. Bro, I'm like Bruce Jenner, an amazing athlete. Might not be the best comparison, actually. Anyway, what I'm trying to get at is bad ideas, myself, aren't always a bad thing. I mean, look at my life. I'm drinking beer at 9 a.m. in the morning. I just got my license taken away for 3 months and I still haven't had sex, but look at me, I'm still kind of sick. And this video, which is a bad idea, is also going to be kind of sick. That's what I'm getting at. Of course y'all know the NameBran fam's real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the GOATs. If you are with the NameBran fam, please leave a like down below, comment down below, and also hit the notification button so you guys can get notified when I finally end up in jail. I gave my mom my YouTube password, so she'll hit you up when the time comes. But without further ado, man, getting into the video, I want to welcome you guys to the fakest sneaker market in the entire world, which is my room. And I'm not actually proud of that. I don't even condone fake sneakers. However, y'all seem to really dig the Wish videos and stuff like that. So we got a plethora of fake sneakers here. We gonna go through them, and then the bad idea comes into play. We're gonna take 2 shoes and we're gonna mold them like a fucking dildo fleshlight put together. It's gonna be sex. Hey Selena, it's me again, NameBran, and you still haven't replied to my DM on Instagram, but I thought I would show you the progress of my self-taught farting. I'll just pull these down a little bit and spread my butt cheeks. Okay, here we go. Show what we can do, boys. Let's go, butt cheeks. Oh shit! I think I shit a little bit. Fuck. I hope you don't believe that. That was photoshopped. Who did that? Because who shits himself at 23? You know what I'm saying? You guys can't believe everything you see on the internet. And we're back. Sorry boys, had a case of the sweats. Had to shower real quick. So anyway, getting back into the fake sneaker market, which is my room. This is generally how I build a custom video. I look at the shoes, generally I try to do real ones. However, everything here is fake. But I had an idea to make one of the craziest customs we have ever seen on the channel. Are you with me, boys? Shit! It's fucking kids. I mean, are you really with me, boys? One more try. Oh! There we go. So now guys, you'll meet them in a bit. Those are the boys. We drink beers a lot. So these are their options today, boys. I don't want to destroy these, but I think this is gonna have to be one of the customs today. These actually are real. These are the Universal Studio type, and actually if you see it says these are, and the other ones say real. So that's just proof in case people try to, you know, question me on it. Sample, of course, too. And I think we're gonna take one other shoe and make magic. So the rules are real simple, man. I mean, summer's coming up, and the only way that you can really rock out with your cock out in the summer is take 2 fake shoes and make them into 1 fake shoe. Which sounds bad, but it's gonna be dope. My friends, welcome to the fucking Air Mag slide. We're about to make some Supreme Air Mag slides, if you guys didn't catch that. First things first, man, we gotta grab that knife that we used to circumcise ourselves, man. We self-taught around here. Yeah. Don't try that, by the way. Now we're about to cut the base off of this part of the shoe. This is actually like a $250 shoe because it is Universal Studios. Alright, wiener on my lip. I ate it after. Anyway, we're gonna cut this off. The reason why I'm doing this custom is because I think it's gonna look really dope. I think it's gonna be a cool picture on Instagram. And also, I'm going to SneakerCon LA. It's about to be hot as balls, man. I need a new slide to wear. With that said, man, start cutting. Be careful about it. Anyway, man, we got this part of the shoe cut. Now, we've actually done a slide with an Air Mag before. It looked like absolute dog shit, which isn't always bad. However, in this case, we ain't going for dog shit. We going for horse semen, which is somehow better. It doesn't matter. Anyway, what I thought we would do is instead of just cutting off this strap, because I really do want a cool slide to wear, I thought we'd just jam it in the shoe like that. However, we gotta cut this bitch off a little bit. Then we're gonna have a chill with NameBran at the end. We're gonna get super fucking drunk, probably a little stoned, and get this bitch in 10 minutes. It's gonna be lit.
It's time for chilling with NameBran.
And welcome to Chillin' with NameBran. This is the part of the video where everything from here on out is uncut, uncircumcised for my editing pleasure, your viewing pleasure. If I say anything stupid that could end me up in jail, I'll go to jail. And we can finally make that vlog. Also, this is the point of the video where we get it to 10 minutes and my battery's about to die, so I might cut once. And I also show you guys the custom once I change this battery. One cut. I promise that's gonna be it. And we're back, sorry about that. So here's the custom slide that we made. Probably one of the most half-assed customs we've ever done, but it was something that needed to be done because I just got the word today that I am gonna be going out to SneakerCon LA and I really wanted something new to rock. So what I still need to do, I just didn't have the time with the glue to dry because I really have to hold it there for a while, is I'm gonna glue it here. I'm actually gonna fill this part in with more red, with the part that I cut off. I'm gonna like fill it in and make it look all clean. So if you guys are going to SneakerCon, also I might have to trim that up a little bit. But that's a slide that I made because I just like acting like an absolute ass apparently, and when I go to SneakerCon I really don't need people to take me seriously because I don't give a fuck. Guess who doesn't have an ego? Me. Guess who a lot of people have an ego in SneakerCon. I won't give names, but a lot of people do. A couple people do. No names. One person does. You leave a comment down below. I'm just spewing bullshit. But anyway, that's our custom for today. I'm still gonna trim around this. I didn't want to completely finish it because I want you guys to be surprised at LA SneakerCon how dope it actually looks. But we are gonna trim around here. I'm gonna make it fit perfectly. Once again, I'm gonna put the red in there. But you guys let me know what you think about this idea. Once again, I'm not trying to make something that necessarily looks super dope, even though I think this looks very dope. I'm trying to make something that'll probably get me laid if Summer Rae's there, because I know she lives in LA, and honestly, I think she's a hot piece of ass. And I don't like want to discriminate because she's a girl, but I think that she's one of those smart girls. You know what I mean? She comes off smart. I'm just joking. Anyway, this is NameBran once again, uncut, uncircumcised. So we tried to get this to 10 minutes right now. I got my beer ski in hand, and I thought we'd pick a topic to talk about for the remainder of this video. And this topic is actually a question I get a lot. NameBran, what would you do if you saw Selena Gomez? Now, y'all know I got some weird fetish, I would say, for her. Yeah, because it's not even like a crush. I look at her like somebody would look at a foot. I just want to put her in my mouth and like just like do some weird sucking maneuvers with her head in my mouth, somewhat like if she was a Barbie doll. Like to the extent where even if I had to, I would get real stitches so my mouth can open up this much. I'd put her whole head in it, or maybe a booby or something. Anyway, what would I do if I met Selena Gomez? Y'all actually ask me this all the time. Honestly, on the real, I think I'd run up to her like a fanboy. I think I'd try to sneak a kiss, which probably is not acceptable, but I'd do it anyway, and I'd fucking vlog the shit. And then honestly, I don't know if this is a question that you should be asking women, but I would offer her a lot of money to just chill with me for a day. I don't even need to get banged. You know what I'm saying? I think it might happen because, quite honestly, she probably knows who I am because I do a lot of videos and talk to her a lot on Instagram DMs. She leaves them on red a lot, but for some reason she never answers. It's not the videos you guys saw from my twin brother, but like other videos, more respectful ones and not weird. I don't shit myself. But that's answering that question. What would y'all do? Actually, I want to leave a question down below. What would y'all do if you saw your woman crush in public? Because we men, bruh. We're men. And if... sorry, not crush, fetish. Because, like, honestly, I think we act all civil and cool. But I think for me, because I don't try to be cool, I'm just myself, which is bad. It's not good to do when you're just like how I am. Sometimes you can't be yourself because it's just not socially acceptable to run up to a girl and even like punch her in the tit just to know that you felt it. Because this is wrong. But if you do that, I'm sorry to my women viewers. It was Canada Day yesterday. I was hungover as fuck. I smoked a little something, and then I made the worst costume probably of my life that I still am very, very stoked to wear. So that's it once again. Also, yeah, leave your comments down below. I want full-up discussions down below. What would y'all do if you saw, say, Angelina Jolie in public and you love her? What would you do? Would you play it cool? Would you try to bang? Would you just go up to her and shake her hand and be like, hey, I'm a pretty big fan, but not that much. So if you want to get at me, I'm trying to play hard to get, and you're gonna be the one that has to work for it. Because that's how famous people would work. Probably not. Anyway, you guys leave that down below because discussions are good on how we would treat girls if we met them for the first time. This is horrible. Also, don't condone anything that I'm saying. And at the same time, everything's truthful. And I'm always about truth when talking about, dude, don't get me wrong. I would just go up, Selena, let's get cut the bullshit. Selena Gomez is here, she's wearing a dress. Oh shit, I slipped and fall. Oh, my leg is broken. Oh no, Selena, help me. Oh no, you're wearing a skirt? Damn it, it's so crazy how I'm in this position right now. I'm so sorry, just help me get my leg. Oh no, oh, you're helping me up? Oh no, my head's in your skirt. I didn't mean for that to happen. This is all bullshit. I wouldn't actually do that, but I should be a stand-up comedian, but one of those ones that gets arrested after every show for saying something absolutely vulgar and probably tossed out and beaten to a pulp. Have you guys seen Boonk Gang's Insta stories? Dude shut off Instagram. What an idiot. Entertaining, but what an idiot. You can't be doing that. You got kid followers. Anyway, I'll start to do that at 100,000 followers if you guys want. So follow the Instagram. It's right here. NameBran fam's real strong. We're always marking the game the greatest of all time. I'm out with another video. And I might go film another one after because apparently I want to talk and this is probably over 10 minutes. And if you guys made it to the end of this part of the video where I'm sitting on a toilet, comment toilet down below. Don't cap lock it because everyone will know to comment that word, but I want to see who really stuck to the end. Comment toilet somewhere in a sentence. Don't just say toilet, put it in a sentence. We're back to grade 2. Put it in a fucking sentence. I want punctuation. I want capitals. You know what I'm saying? And I want the proper indent in your paragraph if you have a paragraph. You know where they tab it? Doesn't matter. Blah, peace. Oh, fuck.